Everybody, tonight I'm making a hot dish, and I'm making it using Hunt's pasta sauce, meat sauce, and I wanted you guys to see this. I posted a link on Facebook to the Snack Food Appreciation Society. Shout out to you, Brandon Edwards, and all the other fine members of that community. I got a can of premium Hunt's pasta meat sauce. I also have proudly grown Hunt's pasta sauce meat. Alright, now this is where it gets crazy. These have the exact same ingredient list. I checked it word for word. It's pretty much identical. There's no differences, but the nutritional facts are different. I don't know. You see that? One of these cans expires this year. The other can expires next year. But yeah, the nutritional facts are a little bit different. You can pause on that if you want, guys and gals. I'll show all this here so you can cross-check it on your end if you would like. I don't want to just bring something out here and not have any kind of disclaimer or proof of it. And the sell-by date on this one is March 4th of 2021. And this other one here is August 4th, 2022. So I'm going to use this one first because this one expired 2 months ago. I'm pretty sure it's still good. In fact, the label on it is actually in better condition than the one that is older. But anyways, I'm making a macaroni hot dish here. I'm cooking my hamburger. I'm going to cook my noodles. And then when I crack open the sauce, I will continue with the video. Alright everybody, I got my noodles working on, and I'm using these kind here. These are just some macaroni elbows. And in case y'all didn't know, I like to cook in a not very well lit kitchen because I cook with my light on above my stove, and it's just the way I like doing things. So anyways, I got my plastic utensils as such. We have the 2 cans of the sauce, which I showed at the beginning of the video. Our hamburger is completely done. I seasoned it with Montreal and just a little bit of onion powder. And so I put a little bit of salt in here with this so that the noodles don't stick to each other or to the bottom. This is a, what you call it? It's a non-stick pot. It's not, I can't think of the word. It's just that's the color of the pan. It's not a surface like you get on those non-stick skillets is the word I'm looking for. So we'll let this boil here for about 7.5 minutes, and then I'm going to combine the noodles after I strain them with the meat, and I'm going to add some Hunt's meat sauce here to complete our hot dish this evening. And also, I opted to add some of this, which I will show you what I did. I put just a little bit in the bottom of this cup, everybody, and then I put in just a little bit of cold water. And then while our stuff is cooking, I'm just going to let this sit here in the fridge. And when I worked at White Castle, that's not exactly how we did it. We had a bigger container, obviously. And we'd put those little rehydrated onions. They came in a bag. They didn't come in no container like this. And we put them in there, put them with water, and they put cling wrap over the top of the container and put it in a lower cooler, and it would be down there for anywhere between 15 minutes and a half hour. Usually a half hour was about ideal, 20 minutes or so. And being in the cold would activate it. I don't understand the physics of it, but it is what it is. So let's continue on. Alright, the noodles are done. Give them a quick stir here. Yeah, you can see they've obviously gotten bigger. This is about 4 cups, just a little over 4 cups of noodles here. 1 pound of ground beef, and I just took it from my macaroni noodles like I told you. And then we'll be using the Hunt's sauce here. So let's strain this. I got a strainer set up right over here. So let's do this. And there it is, everybody. They are drained. I'll just give them a little bit of a shake there. Yeah, get that water out. See, watch. See how water dripping out the bottom? Make sure you get rid of all that wire, otherwise your sauce will get really runny, and that ain't good like that. And it gives your pan a chance to kind of dry up a little bit and cool off while you do this. Because once your noodles are done drying, you'll return them to the pan with your sauce and your ground beef. So, and then you'll just combine it, and along with the onions that I'm also going to add to this. So, hold on to your seats. Alright everybody, here's our sauce. I just opened it, and it is still quite fine. It hasn't separated. It's not having a bad smell or discolored in any which way, shape, or form, so I think we're going to go ahead and use it. Let's get this combined, everybody. And oh yeah, by the way, there's those little rehydrated onions. We'll add them too. Onions are added. Sauce is added. Let's go ahead and combine it. Alright everybody, now there it is. That's the finished product. This has been a how to make macaroni hot dish, and this is my recipe. It's just really simple. 1 can of sauce, 4 cups of macaroni noodles, 1 pound of ground beef, and whatever seasonings have you. And there you have it, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've ever had something like this or made something like this yourself, let me know. I'd really like to hear that about it. And that's all I have. Take care, stay safe, and happy Memorial Day, everybody. Shout outs to all our soldiers and veterans and servicemen and women of this country. Thank you.